Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I create content around drugstore makeup. I love affordable drugstore makeup, skincare, all that sort. So if anything of that sort interests you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Okay. Okay, so today I'm going to do my makeup purchases regrets. Oh, it breaks my heart. Okay, I'm not going to lie. And when you purchase something, anything, you not only invest your money, your time, your energy in searching. Like I do a lot of research before buying anything. Okay, so especially in makeup. Okay, and I have a couple of regrets. And even though I do a lot of research, sometimes I'm like, oh, I'm a new like influencer. Sometimes I'm like, I'm an influencer. Let's just buy this for review. And I'm like, no. See, so yeah, I have couple of regrets purchases of 2021. Let's just start. Okay, so I wish I have not purchased these products. Okay, I truly do. Okay, so yeah, let's start with 2021 purchases and the makeup which I purchased not in 2021, but these are my past mistakes. Okay, like I wish I can go back and tell my younger self, don't waste your money. Okay, we are going to discuss them later, but let's just talk about 2021 releases that I think I wasted my money on. Okay, so this is the My Glam palette. Now you guys must have watched that video where I have tested this out. First of all, look at the size. It's a very tiny palette and the pan size is like really small, but these are minute things. Okay, these are not something which I'm concerned about. Like the thing is, like the mattes are beautiful. So why I regret this? Shimmers, these shimmers lack luster. These are not at all pigmented, and you can see a little bit because I have tried to scratch these to get some pigment. I know I want to use them. I have wasted my money. See, this is the another shimmers. They are lackluster. You will drag your finger like a lot and something will come up, something chalky will come up. Okay, so I don't know. And yeah, this is the blue one, and you have to drag like 7-8 times, then something chalky will come up. So yeah, and the mattes are beautiful. I will swatch them. See, ये होता है pigment, कोई comparison है. The mattes are really pretty. See, very pigmented, very blendable. So I'm not just ready to part ways. Also, although I can declutter this to some of my friends or someone, but I don't know. The mattes are so good and I wish the shimmers were like that. Okay, I'm like disappointed. That's the video. Disappointment video. This is the disappointing products video. I'm disappointed. Okay, and this one was $350 on a lot of discount. Okay, and I love the My Glam bronzer so much. After that, I was like, let's just buy everything from My Glam. Okay, then I bought this and I'm like, don't buy anything from My Glam. I'm so confused. Should I buy something from My Glam? Should I not buy something from My Glam? And yeah, I'm like not happy with the way My Glam is performing. Okay, some things are working, some things are not. Okay, so next is this lip liner by Shills. Now Shills, you can see on Amazon and other, I have seen so much of Shills makeup in my local store, so I was like, let's just try this brand. And this lip liner, did you see that? It's a new lip liner, but where is the pigment? Oh my god, this is gimmick. Where is the pigment? I'm like so disappointed with this one that I am. So yeah, this is horrendous. Like no pigment at all. What is this? I'm like so confused. What are you? Like some magic pencil?
I mean, whatever, I guess.
Where is the pigment? And this literally I have to throw. There is no use of this. What will I do with this? Okay, yeah. Now let's just start with the foundations. I have a lot of regret foundation. Okay, I don't know. Will this be like a permanent regret? I don't know. Right now, I regret it. Okay, so this is the Rimmel Lasting Matte Finish Foundation, and this is lightweight, smooth, effective, blah blah blah. So basically, the shade match is pretty dang good. This is buff, by the way, and I wanted to try something from Rimmel, and this one was 50% off. So I was like, let's just try it, and it's very dry. Okay, it has a beautiful texture. Let me just swatch it. So you can see it's a wood kind of consistency. Okay, a very beautiful moussey texture, but it's dry. It's very matte. Oh my god, this is just so smooth. The texture is so smooth, and I think this will be a good foundation for oily skin people. Too matte for me that I don't know whether I will able to use this in winter, summers. In winter I tried it and I was like I wanted to scratch my face so bad. Total disaster. Oh my god. So yeah, next is this Blue Heaven BB cream. Now it's a regret because I have better BB creams now in my collection, and I was so excited because Blue Heaven is constantly launching good products. So this is their BB cream, and see the consistency. So again, this is like that thick kind of thing, you know, and it's not that easy to blend. You can see, I hope you can see, it's not very easy to blend and kind of patchy. Yeah, now you can see here patches. I hope you can see the patches. Yeah, see, I have tried to blend this. I hope you can see the patches. The shade match is dang good for BB cream, you know. Let me just try in close up. So I hope you can see the patches. It's a very patchy BB cream, and I regret it. I seriously regret it. I'm like, what to do with you? Total disaster. Okay, and same like thoughts, but let me just explain. So this is their concealer. Now I like it, but as a spot concealer, if I will use it under eyes and around my mouth, I don't know what disaster this do. Like for spot concealing, like I can cover my cheek, you know, acne scars. It looks good there. Okay, but as an actual concealer, oh my god, this is a disaster. Okay, it's a disaster. Around my eye area, it's slightly patchy. Okay, slightly, because my under eye area is smooth, right? But here I have some dry patches. Oh my god, it exaggerates all of your dry patches. So maybe it will be good for oily skin, I don't know, but for me this concealer is a no-no. I have so many better concealer around that price point only. Okay, around that price point only, but this is a no-no. I don't like it. Okay, now let's just keep on with the base product. I have a lot of regrets. Okay, so this is another one. So you guys must be like, what is this yellow? So yeah, this is a concealer. So this is the Inside 2X Master Cover Master Concealer. Okay, that's the name, 2X Cover. Why must life be so hard? Why must I fail in every attempt at masonry? Like, it's a joke. 2X Cover. So first of all, the shade is yellow. Okay, it's okay if it's yellow. I can use it as a color correcting thing, but where is the pigment? Where is the pigment? It's a very sheer coverage concealer, and concealer are not supposed to be sheer coverage. Concealer are supposed to be giving some coverage. It's a total mess. This one is a pass, especially this shade Golden Russet. It's a pass. I have seen this concealer on other people. It looked good, and I'm like, huh? I don't know. For me, this is a complete disaster. I will never recommend you this one. I don't know how people are recommending this. Where is the coverage in this one? I'm like so confused how people are using this. And it's a 100 rupees concealer. Again, I have better 100 rupees concealer, so it's not excuse. Aajkal in market mein 100 rupees mein you are getting awesome things, so you cannot say, oh, it's a 100 rupees concealer. No, it should be good. Okay, so I'm like so disappointed with this one. Like, inside, because see, I have the inside foundation. Oh my god, it is so good. And their concealer, this one. So yeah, this concealer is a really no from me. Okay, so oh my god, this this video is already 14 minutes long, and I don't like long videos. I don't love uploading long videos. I don't love watching long videos. So yeah, I'm going to make part 2 definitely, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'm going to definitely make part 2 of this, like the makeup regrets of 2021, the makeup I tried and in 2021 and I regretted. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. And always thanks for